Hi, I'm Jessica George with Hypothesis. You may be familiar with our export-import feature, which allows you to copy annotations across assignments from semester to semester. But did you know that the same tool can be used to document RSI, or regular and substantive interaction? Let's take a look. First, open your assignment needing RSI documentation. In the top right-hand side of the annotation sidebar, there is an icon with an upward-facing arrow. Hovering over this will show text that says Show Share Panel. We will select the icon, and that will populate two tabs, the Export tab and Import tab. Now, the Export tab will allow us to export annotations. If I were importing annotations onto a new clean assignment, for example, instructor guiding annotations, I would select the Import tab. But for the context of this video, we will stay with the Export tab. Now, in the Export tab, I can select which user's annotations to export. In the case of RSI documentation, I'm probably going to find it most helpful to export all annotations. So I will leave all annotations selected, but if I click that drop-down, you can see that I can select by student or user as well. Now I'm going to choose what type of file to download. In the case of RSI documentation, it's going to make most sense to download as a CSV. So that's what I will select. Next, I will select Export. This will download the CSV to my computer where I can do additional analysis of the annotation data. Next, I'd like to show you what this data looks like. So I am moving to a screen that provides an example of the annotations that were downloaded from the previous assignment. In this document, you'll see a variety of different kinds of data. I'm going to zoom in so we can see this a little better. So the CSV will give you timestamps for the annotation, the author or student name. If the instructor is participating, their annotations will also show here. In some cases, the page number will show, as well as the URL, and all annotation CSV downloads will show the group or class name. You'll also be able to filter by annotation type, so page note versus annotation versus reply. In this case, annotation is a top-level annotation. Depending on the annotation type, there will also be a quote or description. This will be the text that was selected when making the annotation. The most full area is going to be this column titled Comment, and this is where the full annotation will appear. The download will also include any tags, which can be useful if you are analyzing metacognitive activities using metacognitive reading tagging. In order to create a filter in Google Docs, if you are using this software, we can add a filter. This will allow us to sort, for instance, by annotation, top-level annotation versus page note. And we can do a little bit more of simple analysis using the filter feature. If you have any questions about this documentation feature for RSI, please let us know at success@hypothesis.is. Thanks for watching.